We always wish and strive to make all our activities at DCIRS purposeful. Here come students with a beautiful English drama that conveys a strong message. One thing I'm damn sure, this small drama will definitely bring some smile on your face. Let us all become a part of the show and get the grip of the central message it offers.
காலை மதியம் மாலை இரவு 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 காலை மதியம் மாலை இரவு காலை மதியம் மாலை இரவு இரவு மாலை மதியம் காலை நள்ளிரவு ஒரு மணி நள்ளிரவு ஒரு மணி நள்ளிரவு ஒரு மணி நள்ளிரவு ஒரு மணி
Ministers! How dare you sleeping in my kingdom?
Your Majesty, last night I had a deep discussion.
With whom?
Napoleon and Morpheus.
I do had old... I was discussing with old monk. For what?
For the welfare of our kingdom.
Okay, sit. You know, I got a dream last night.
Another queen in your dream. Already 3 queens, 36 daughters. Is it enough for you? Hey, how dare you can say that 330 or 300? Our king will manage. Otherwise, I am there.
I do.
Hey, sit.
In my dream, the people are suffering due to hot summer and poverty. I need an idea. I need change. I need unique change. I need change.
King isn't enough for you?
You mad minister, I am not saying this thing. You moron Pichakarans, go back to your place. Give me some ideas. Otherwise I'll chop your heads.
Your Majesty, Eureka! 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 Eureka!
Hey, catch it! Hey, who is the Eureka? Where is she now?
Your Majesty, idea!
Idea? Explain.
Day, night, night, day.
Day?
No, King, I will explain. King, our people can work in night time and can sleep in daytime. How is it?
Wow, wonderful idea. Anything from your side?
Our people are suffering economically. We can provide all goods for just 1 rupee. How is it?
Wow, amazing idea. Pass the rule immediately.
Your Majesty, we will do right now.
மக்களின் கனிவான கவனத்திற்கு அரசரை நாணைக்கிடுங்க பகலில் வெயில் வெளுத்து வாங்குவதா மக்கள் அனைவரும் பகலில் பக்குவமாக படுத்துறங்குமாறும் இரவில் தங்களின் பணிகளை செம்மையாக செய்யுமாறும் கேட்டுக்கொள்ளப்படுகிறார்கள். இதை மீறும் பட்சத்தில் மிக குறைந்தபட்ச தண்டனையாக தலை மட்டும் துண்டிக்கப்பட்டு தண்டிக்கப்படுவார்கள் என்பதை பணிவோடு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம்.
Guru, Dolapur, famous for laddu.
Wait, we will buy.
Yes, stupid. Can't you walk properly? In daytime, there are no shops. Something is wrong.
Guru, I am hungry.
Okay, manage with this bread.
Every day we are giving the same bread. Only input, no output.
Amara Bharat, Swachh Bharat, control and sleep.
Hey, you bloody beggars. You don't have any other place. Go somewhere and sleep. Get away from here. Here, get up now.
Oh, don't do that.
Guru, it is very cold.
Come. What are you doing here?
Our king ordered us to sleep at day and work at night.
Maybe he's a fool.
Yes, you are right.
Then this kingdom also is foolish?
Yes.
Then you are a fool.
Hey, you, mind your words.
Sorry, ma. Idiot. What's the cost of this banana?
It's 1 rupee.
What is the cost of the whole banana?
It's just 1 rupee.
What is the cost of the bag of rice?
Everything is just 1 rupee. Buy it and get lost.
Guru, everything is just 1 rupee. I'll buy everything.
Okay.
Hey, my money, man! Sorry, ma. Something is wrong in this kingdom. Okay, come, let's move.
Guru, I will stay here itself.
Why?
Everything is cheap.
Okay, at any time you will be in danger. That time squeeze this lemon, I will appear.
Okay, Guru. How is our kingdom now?
Your Majesty, our kingdom is just looking like heaven.
What about you?
See our people eating and enjoying.
புளியோதரையின் சோறு வெகு பொருத்தமாய் சாம்பாரு புளியோதரையின் சோறு வெகு பொருத்தமாய் சாம்பாரு பூரி கிழங்கு பாரு இதுவே எனக்கு சோறு கல்யாண சமையல் சாதம் காய்கறிகளும் பிரமாதம் அந்த கௌரவ பிரசாதம் இதுவே எனக்கு போதும்
Do you know one thing? The midnight thought has always power. Do you know who said this?
I know, Your Majesty. It's our queen.
Hey, the great god Naotomi. I want justice. I want justice. I want justice. Hey, who are you? What do you want? King, my brother was doing his traditional job. Is it? What was it? Stealing. What happened? The wall collapsed. He died. I couldn't understand anything. Wait. King! Who are you?
King, look at the moon.
Hey, that is no moon, man.
Hey, flashback.
என்ன ஐட்டங்களோ டூபல் பி பிளாட்டினிலே திறந்து பார்த்தால் தெரிந்து விடும் அள்ளி சென்றால் முடிந்து விடும்
Hey, flashback over. Continue. Your Majesty, now you understood?
Yeah, now I understood. Who is the house owner?
A rich merchant.
Hey, call him.
Leave me, leave me, leave me. May beg now, king.
What? Begu, me?
No, king, I am innocent.
Kataka, here.
King, wait a minute, please.
Kataka, come back. Yeah.
The wall was built during my father's time.
Who built that wall?
A old mason.
Call that mason.
King, I only built that wall. It is true.
Mama,
King, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Mama, come back.
King, when I was working, some dancing girls passed by. I was distracted by them. Poor fellow, what I can do?
What? Dancing girls? Hey, 3 queens, 36 daughters. Not enough for you? Hey, Kingda. Thank you.
King,
What?
look at the moon.
Flashback? Hey, flashback.
ஆடிவா பாடிவா ஆனழகை தேடிவா
Now you understood, King?
Yeah, now I understood. Call the dancing girls.
What? Dancing girls? Call them immediately. Right now. Right now. Right now.
Who called these old guys?
King, these girls are the dancing girls.
For you, they are dancing girls. For me, they are old grannies. Kattappa.
Majesty, have some mercy on us.
Kattappa.
We went to meet a goldsmith.
For what?
We gave some golds to make some ornaments.
Majesty, that idiot. Hey, old grannies.
Oh, Grandma, Dabati, let's go.
Goldsmith delayed to deliver our ornaments, so that stupid is to be punished. Call that goldsmith. Kattappa.
Your Majesty, you have some patience to listen.
Kattappa.
This idiot merchant's father ordered some jewels for his son's wedding. He disturbed me often. Therefore, I relayed this dancing girl's order. The merchant's father is to be blamed.
Yes, the merchant's father has to be blamed, but his father is no more. Kattappa, kill that merchant and finish the case. I want to meet the queen immediately. Kattappa.
King, leave me, forgive me, leave me, forgive me, leave me, forgive me.
King, leave me. Forgive me. King.
Excelente. Oh, Inusuku.
Your Majesty, wait.
Why?
Look at this place. Too small for this stage. You can find someone who is suitable for this stage.
Yeah, you are right. Soldiers, search!
Leave me.
Hey, catch him!
Hey, King, what did I do?
Nothing you did.
Go on there, rest in peace. Enjoy.
Excelente. Oh, Inusuku.
Guru!
Where's my session? Huh? You are it. Shishya? Oh my God.
குருவே மோசம் போயிட்டேன் குருவே மோசம் போயிட்டேன்
இப்பயாச்சும் போனியே ஒழுங்கா போனியா சரி வா 1 minute, King.
Okay. Granted.
Your Majesty, kill me first and then my small Sishian.
Hey, Majesty, kill me first. And my Guru.
Your Majesty, kill me first and then my Sishian.
Hey, Majesty, kill me first. And my Majesty.
Hey, come here. Actually, what is your problem now?
There is a secret.
Hey, secret! Tell.
Whoever dies first on the stake, they will become the king of our next generation. And whoever dies second, they will be the minister. That's the reason.
Okay. Soldiers, take them to the prison. Everyone, get lost. Hey, come closer. Okay. Kattappa.
Me? You? soldiers, take them to the stake.
My God! Our king and our ministers, they are dead! What? They are dead!
This is why I told you not to stay back here. Come, let's move.
Okay, Guru.
Just a minute, Guru. Please come here. Okay.
Guru, we want the right person at the right place. So please be our leader.
Okay, but I have a condition. My Shishyan will be the minister.
Very good, very good. Enjoy, enjoy.
எங்கள் வீட்டில் எல்லா நாளும் கார்த்திகை, எங்கள் நிலவில் எல்லோரும் இல்லை தேய்திரை. எங்கள் வீட்டில் எல்லா நாளும் கார்த்திகை, எங்கள் நிலவில் எல்லோரும் இல்லை தேய்திரை. கிளி கூட்டம் போல் எங்கள் கூட்டமே, இது ஆனந்த பூந்தோட்டம், அன்பின் ஆலயம். எங்கள் வீட்டில் எல்லா நாளும் கார்த்திகை, எங்கள் நிலவில் என்றும் இல்லை தேய்பிறை.
தங்களது கோமாளித்தனத்தால் நாம் யாரிடமும் ஏமாறாமல் இருக்கவும் சிரிக்கவும் சிந்திக்கவும் வைத்த வீரனின் விவேக விகடகவிகளுக்கு நன்றி.